Welcome to Mishnah, study Masech Makkot Perek Aleph Mishnah Zayin. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss two witnesses, how they're equal to three witnesses, and in what sense. So, Al Pi Shenai Medi, right? We know first of all that we only need to have two witnesses when it comes to a any case, right? Two witnesses are enough. So, when the pasuk says Al Pi Shenai Medim or Shlosha Edim, what do we need three for? Why is the pasuk even talking about three witnesses? So al pi shenai medim or shlosha edim umatamet, right? You need two or three witnesses in order to kill the dead, right? The person who's accused of death. If all you need is two witnesses, why does the Torah speak of a case of three witnesses? Right? To juxtapose the two, to make this show it's the same din. Ma shlosha mezimim et hashnayim, av hashnayim mezimim et hashlosha. Right? The same way three witnesses could prove two of them to be false. So two witnesses could prove a group of three witnesses to be false witnesses. Right? You don't need three to prove three. You have 100 witnesses that all you need is two to prove them to be false. Talmud Omar edim. Right? The pasuk says edim, right? The pasuk says, al pi shenaim edim or shlosha edim, right? You could have said al pi shenaim or shlosha edim. Why does it have to say edim twice? Right? To teach you even 100. Rabbi Shimon Omer, Ma shenaim enan neheragim ad sheyehu shenehem zomemin. The same way two aren't killed until both of them are zomemin, are proved to be false. Af shlosha enam neheragim ad sheyehu shloshtam zomemim. It's a kula that you can't put the group to death until all three are proven to be zomemin. What if it's, how do you know, even if it's a group of 100, you need to prove that all 100 to be zomemim, and you can't kill any of them until all 100 are 100 zomemim. Tomomar edim implav. Rabbi Akiva Omer, Rabbi Akiva is doresh differently. Lo ba'ashlishi ela le'achmir alav, v'da'asot dino kayotze ba'elu. To be mahmir on this individual to make him as part of the group. Imkach anacha kartuj lenitpal ovre avera ki ovre avera. Right. So in what sense? Right. So Rabbi Akiva, right? Rabbi Akiva is saying that this person, when Hanambam explains, right? This person, once he joins the group, if he was alone, right, and he was found to be an enzomem, he's nothing. He's not a group. He's not part of any group. He's just one person. He's not he can't, so you could not have put him to death. But the moment he joins a group, so now if everyone in that group is found to be edim zomim, that whole group will be put to death. So if this is coming to be mahmir on him. If he didn't join the group, right, he wouldn't have been put to death, but because he joined the group, he's put to death. Now just look at the pasuk, right? The Torah punishes the person who joins the ovre avera as if he's the ovre avera himself. So too, the Torah will reward those who join, a group of people who are doing mitzvah already, but he joins in anyway. As if he fully did the mitzvah. Now, Rambam just points out that what Rabbi Akiva and Rabbi Shimon say are both correct. No one argues on them. Just everyone's giving a different reasoning. And what we said before, Ad sheyazumu kulam, that they all need to be proven to be false witnesses. That's on condition that everyone spoke, right? Or they're all a group, right? If they all spoke, toch kedeh dibur haviro, right? Each one of them talking, each one inserts themselves within a moments of one of their friends talking, right? That's how we consider them edut achat, right? And it's as if they all came at one time. But if it's longer than that, right, then we already consider them as separate groups.